Hello students. Okay, so here in exercise 1.2 in this video we are going to do question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. So let's start with question number 9. To stitch a shirt, you are stitching a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. To stitch one shirt you have required this length of cloth, right? Out of 40 meter cloth you have total 40 meter of cloth. How many shirts can be stitched? You have to find how many shirts you can stitch using 40 meter of cloth, right? So total length of cloth you have is 40 meter, right? So we are converting this meter into centimeter. Why? Because here to stitch one shirt you are given 2 meter 15 centimeter. There's two different units, right? So we have to convert it into one unit, one same unit. So we are doing it, we are converting into centimeter. So 40 meter should be converted into centimeter. That is 40 should be multiplied by 100 because in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter, right? So the answer will be 4000 centimeter. The total length of cloth you have is 4000 centimeter. Next thing, the cloth required to stitch one shirt. To stitch one shirt, the cloth required is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Here also you have to convert it into centimeter. This one is already in centimeter, so you don't need to convert it. You just have to convert 2 meter only. So to convert 2 meter, that is 2 should be multiplied by 100, right? And this 15 should be added because this is already in centimeter. So the answer will be 200 plus 15, that is 215 centimeter. So stitch one shirt you required 215 centimeter, right? So now you have to find how many clothes, right? How many shirt can be stitched from this length of this much of cloth. So what we have to do, number of shirt can be stitched equals to, we have to 4000 divide 4000 centimeter by 215 centimeter. We have to divide this two to find the number of shirt that can be stitched, right? So while we are dividing it, 4000 divided by 215, 250 3 लेना है, 215 1 is 215, right? So subtracting, this should be 5, this should be 9, 9 minus 1 8, this should be 3, 3 minus 2 1, 185 and 0, you have to drop it. Here 251, sorry 251 15 should be divided by this, right? So here if we are doing 215 8s are 1, 215 8s are 1720, right? So we are getting, this is 3, this is 1, this is the remainder, 130 is remainder, right? See, so when we are dividing this two, we got 18 as the answer, 18 as a quotient, which means we can, number of shirt can be stitched equals to 18 shirt. We can stitch how many shirts? 18 shirts, right? So the next question is, how much cloth will remain? There is some cloth remaining, yes, because there's some reminder, that is 130, right? This is 130 centimeter. So hence the remaining cloth, length of remaining cloth, right? Length of remaining cloth equals to 130 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay, so let's move on to question number 10. It says medicine is packed in the boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. There is a medicine, right? All medicines are packed in a box. Each box is each box's weight. The weight of each box is 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van? We have to load this box in a van which can carry how much kg weight? 800 kg, right? So we have to find how many boxes can we load in this van. So first, maximum weight van can carry is 800 kg. Here also we have to convert this into gram because here is 4 kg 500 grams. So convert it into smaller unit. So 800 into kg को ग्राम में convert करना है तो we have to multiply by 1000. So your answer will be 800,000. So your answer will be 8 lakh gram. Next thing, weight of one box. What is the weight of one box? The weight of one box equals to 4 kg 500 gram. When we are converting it into gram, it is already in gram. We just need to convert 4. So 4 into 1000 plus 500 because this is already in gram. So your answer will be 4500 gram. Right? So when we have to find the number of boxes, we just have to divide this two. We have to divide 8 lakh divided by 4500. While we are dividing, we can do like this. This is also in the form of division. Here, why I have done like this? Because we can cancel zeros. This 0, this 0. So we have left with 8000 divided by 45. So we just have to divide 8000 by 45. We just have to divide 8000 by 45. Right? 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 90 हो जाएगा. So this will be 5. This will be 7. 35. 0 left. इस तरह से आपको divide करना है. Okay. When we divide this, we got answer 177. So there is 177 boxes can be loaded in this van. This was your question number 10. Let's move on to question number 11, which says distance between school and the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Right? There's a student whose house and the school distance between these two is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Distance between school and the house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. So what we have to do, we have to convert this into meter, right? So while converting, what we have to do, we have to convert 1 kilometer into meter. That is 100 meter, right? Plus, okay, sorry, 1000 meter. Sorry, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, not 100. 1000 meter plus 875 meter. That is 1875 meter. Okay, since she walks both ways, she walks both the ways. School से घर भी जाता था, घर से school भी आता था, both ways. So the distance she traveled every day. In one day, how much distance she traveled? Right? Both ways mean in one way she traveled this much. Right? In second way also she traveled this much. Right? So in both the ways she traveled how much? 1875 into 2. Right? That is 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14, 15. 2 8s are 16, 17. So daily she travels 3750 meter daily, right? Including both the ways. Daily she travels. Okay, so if she had covered this much distance in one day, right? After traveling the both ways, when one day if she covers this much distance, then how much distance did she covered in 6 days? So what we have to do, we just have to multiply 375, right, into 6. Sorry, 3750 into 6, right? So 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 6 sevens are 42, 43, 44, 45, 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This much meter she covered in 60s, right? So with this, if we want to convert this into kilometer, what we have to do, 22500, we just have to divide it by 1000, because in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. So cancel these two zeros, we are left with 225 upon 10, right? So when we are dividing 225 by 10, we'll get 22.5 kilometer. So it means that she covered 22.5 kilometer in 6 days. So this is your final answer. A vessel has 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd. There's a vessel which contain 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd in how many glasses, each of 225 milliliter capacity. Each glass has this much of capacity. How many glasses can be filled with this quantity of curd? Quantity of curd in vessel is 4 liter 500 milliliter. What we have to do, convert in milliliter. That is 4 into 1000. We have to convert the liter plus 500 milliliter. That is 4500 milliliter. Next, capacity of one glass is 25 ml. What we have to find, number of glasses. To find the number of glasses, we have to divide 4500 4500 4500 divided by 25 milliliter. You just have to divide this two. Okay, so you can divide, simply divide like this, 4500 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. You will get 0, 2, 200. So 25 8s are 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 25 8s are 200, right? 0. Now 0, 25 zeros are 0. So there your answer will be 180. So how many glasses can be filled? 180 glasses can be filled with this quantity of curd. So this was your question number 12. With this, we have completed this exercise 1.2. See you in next video with other exercise. Thank you.